Hello and welcome back to the ContenTable tutorial series. Today we're going to be talking about document configurations. So first of all, what is a document configuration? Simply put, a document configuration is a file that stores all of the settings that are going to be associated with our content sheet here, our Excel document that stores all of our game's data. Alright, so let's start by creating a new configuration. So click the New Configuration button and you'll see this file creation saving prompt. So we'll just call this tutorial config and we'll save this. And once we save that, it will prompt us to point it to the Excel document that this configuration file will be associated with, which Excel document it's supposed to be storing settings for. So we'll just click tutorial content.xlsx and that, and there we have it. We have a new document configuration for tutorial content, and you can see our building sheet is right here, as are all of its columns. And of course, loading a configuration is even simpler. Well, that's it for today. I hope to see you in the next video, and for now, thank you for watching.